Hey folks, welcome back to CountNCook. This is Satwik Suvarna and today's recipe is one of the highly requested recipes of this channel. The request was so old that I had even forgotten about it. But a casual stroll in our backyard reminded me of this request. Immediately, my mom made this dish and I shot it, and today I finally found time to edit this video. Without any further ado, let's begin the cooking. Let's quickly head over to our backyard and pluck some fresh Mangalore spinach or Malabar spinach. Call it whatever you may, man. It's nothing but basale in Tulu. This is 100% organic and not like the ones that fool you in supermarket costing twice the money. Only discarded tea powder and vegetable remains were used as compost here. No sufala, soda, fertilizers, pesticides or even manure was used here. 3 bunches would be enough for today's preparation. For roasting the spices, heat up a wok like this, and when the wok heats up, here goes approximately 30 ml of coconut oil. When the oil is heated up, here goes a teaspoon of mustard seeds, around 12 Biryani red chilies, and stir for a while. Half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, teaspoon of black peppercorns, a tablespoon of coriander seeds, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 6 cloves of garlic. By adding in 1 roughly chopped onion, saute for a while. To speed up the cooking of onions goes a teaspoon of salt and continue sauteing. When the onions have turned translucent, off goes the flame and cool it down completely, and once cooled down, transfer them into a blender jar like this. Here goes a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Break a tablespoon of fresh tamarind into smaller pieces so that it becomes easier to grind. Now goes half coconut shredded. By using water as required for blending, blend into a smooth paste like this. In another pan, let's roast fried prawns. Here goes 2 cups of fried prawns. When the dried prawns have started leaving fumes, off goes the flame. To make the curry into a big pot like this goes the stem portion of the Malabar spinach or Mangalore spinach that we plucked earlier, 1 roughly chopped tomato and some water. Chopped leafy portion of the Mangalore spinach goes on the top like this. A teaspoon of salt goes in on the top like this and cook covered on medium flame for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of covered cooking, the Mangalore spinach is well cooked. Now goes the masala that we ground earlier entirely. Give it a mix. Add rinsed water from the same jar masala was previously ground in. Now wash the dried prawns that we roasted earlier, drain them and add them here. Now cook covered on medium flame for around 5 minutes. After around 5 minutes, take out the lid. The vegetables were previously cooked, but the dried prawns is cooked well now. Nothing else, man, off goes the flame. Hey, traditional Tulunadu recipe is ready. To try this recipe out at home and also let us know how it turned out. For more such interesting recipes like this, please stay tuned. Until then, ciao, goodbye, take care.